So thanks for watching. I don't really thank you guys for watching anymore. I had one instance, one guy took a video I made, and it was 4 clips that I had stitched together. At the time of shooting these 4 clips, I didn't have any intention of actually signing them up or doing it for the thing. These flamingos, rubber ducks. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Oh, look at that. That is such a cool shot. There's some real life Floatfest enthusiasts. I don't know if you can see this, but amongst all the floaties, sorry, there's a huge string of geese all between all the floaters. Nature's floaties. These people are yelling at the ducks. Look at that, a huge train of geese. Sorry. Look at that. It's like they're showing off. They're trying to be part of the event. Look at all of these. And then you have this string of geese. All in a single line. They're all very proud to be part of this, you could tell. That's a cool shot. Here's another shot of the geese amongst all the floaties. Very cool.
Nature's natural floats.
Very cool. Sorry, I'll tuck in. Sorry about that. I'm blocking the poor guy. All right, let's get out of here.